Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Me and Mind Machine Learning. In this tutorial, I will discuss the linear regressions concept like a residual sum of square, how to choose the best fittest line. This is the second tutorial of linear regression. If you not watch my earlier videos, then please go and watch this video. That is a very essential because that video summarizes the whole basic concept of linear regressions. So come to the point, what is the residual? So x-axis refer to year of experience and y-axis is the salary. Like I plot the year of experience on y-axis, 4 years, 5, 8 years and 11 years. 20k, 26l, 39l and 40l. 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 39 lakhs and 40 lakhs and so on. So this is the data, that is the scatter plot. We all familiar with the scatter plot. So if anyone find the what is the salary of 9.5 years, so if I taking the average, it may be biased. So how to find the salary of 9.5 years? So first of all, we have to choose the any line that pass through our data. That is possible? No. Why? Because there is no any line who passes through the data. But it is possible to pass the line through all data, near to the all data. Okay. So okay, this is the actual and this is the predicted. This is the actual, this is the actual, this is the predicted, this is the predicted. Okay, so this is the actual data and this is the predicted and so on. So if you want to find the difference between them, this is called error, and that error is called residual. In statistics, error means not a mistake. So what is the residual? Residual means actual minus predicted data. Okay, that is the concept of your residual. So now come to the point, how to choose the best fittest line. There are possible, it is possible to many various line passing through, so on. So how to choose one of them is the best fittest line? So like if you have to difference of actual residuals, that is 8, that is minus 8, that is 40, minus 14, and minus 5. Okay, if you add all these value, it's become a 0. So how to handle with 0? Square the whole value, and it's give us some positive number, some positive result, and that square of this is called residual sum of square. Residual sum of square. So how to choose the best fittest line means that if I find this line, it give the 800 approx data. I am not so sure about the calculations. It is the exact it is the 800, and if you have to find this line, it's give the 600. If I want to find the another line, this give the 900, and so on. So many possible way. So on the basis of residual sum of square, that value is the minimum residual sum of square that give the best fittest lines. So 600 line is the give the best fittest line for the between the year of experience and salary. So its questions raised, there are many lines possible. So how to choose one of them best? That concept summarize will be in a gradient distance. Gradient distance give the concept of how to choose the best fittest lines. Okay, so further video I will be discuss the R square and significance of R square. Thank you for watching this video.